Today I'm going to show you how to pull out a fluid filter and put it back in. We're out here on Fairview, right behind the shop. And this tank is a 3,000 gallon tank, so the filter is a larger filter. This is a 4-inch wide filter. You can see it right down there in the exit baffle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my hook to get down here, and I'm going to grab an edge of that filter just to pull it up above so that I can stick my hook all the way through it and then pull it all the way out. So I can set it on the ground with my hook up so I can clean it, inspect it, make sure it's not damaged, and also check out the baffle. You can see that this baffle is one that has a bottom on it. The effluent actually comes up through the sides, through those ports on the sides, but the bottom of it is solid. And then the effluent pushes up through this filter. Now to reset the filter, what I want to do is I want to make sure that that arrow is pointing out towards the exit baffle. So I want that arrow lined up to be pointing in that direction. So I'm going to go around. I'm going to go ahead and reset it with that arrow pointing the opposite direction, making real sure and being real careful to not allow that filter to fall in the tank. Otherwise, you got another set of problems that you got to deal with. So I got my arrow pointing out towards that crossover line, and it's lined up. I just set it right back in there without dropping my hook also. That is pulling out and resetting a fluid filter.